going to start on the hammock, and I've got 2 picture hooks, and I'm going to use them to hold the hammock up. So we'll have one up there and we'll have one there. And then I have a piece of hemmed, I glue gunned around the edge. It's not brilliant, and it's 36 centimeters by 14 inches, and it's 9 centimeters by 3.5 inches. So this is going to be our hammock base. And then I have a piece of straw that I threaded with some ribbon, and then I have another piece of straw that I need to thread up. So I think I'll stick with the pink, and then I use a paintbrush to get the material through to the other side of the straw, which seems to work. I think I've over. That's it. Here it comes. And then I'm going to glue this to one side here. And I'm going to glue the other side. And then we're ready like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick each hook up, the hooks that I made earlier. Let's do both sides. There we go. And then we have one side there, one side there. And then if I just get Barbie, there we go. And she can either sit in it or she can lay in it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tidy this up. So I'm going to make the bows look a little bit more prettier. I think it looks quite good. So that's number 2 down.